A new upgrade. That's the old chain. It was only about a meter and a bit. So for the stock grounds, we have a lot of problems with the chain, with the anchor dragging. So what I've done, I've got in some new galvanized chain. That's a quick release. Instead of using a cable tie, this thing trips. So if you put pressure on it, it slides over there, so you don't have to keep fighting with cable ties and stuff. So yeah, you can see now, there's the back of the boat. So yeah, we've got a good, probably 7 meters of chain, 6-7 meters of chain on here. So that's going to help a lot in the stock grounds.